my beautiful tea party squad, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be planning for the week of September the 6th through the 12th in my catch-all planner. And I must tell you guys, pre-planning my spreads ahead of time has definitely helped. And I also did a plan with me, or a pre-plan video here on my channel, and I hope you guys were able to check that out. If not, I'll put that link down in the description box so you can check that out to see how I was planning for each week in my catch-all planner and all those fun things. So for the last week, I actually pre-planned to do a red spread, and so this is what my red spread looks like for the week of August the 30th through September the 5th. And by the time you see this, this is going to be all filled out, but I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. And I'm loving just the different hues of red. And so I want to do the same thing for this week, which is September the 6th through the 12th. And for this one, I pre-planned to do an orange theme spread. So that's what I am going to be doing. I do have some sticky notes because I did have some appointments that I want to remember to make sure I put down for my spread. And so let's talk about sticker books really quick, and then I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I am going to be using Kelva Plan's Roy G. Biv boxes and florals. I love that she has the boxes and florals in here because they all match each other. So it's real easy to kind of pick out the colors that I want, and then I can just decorate around those. So I am going to be using this sticker book. I am also going to be pulling out my rainbow sticker book by the Happy Planner. This is one of their mega sticker books, and it has 100 sheets of stickers, and it has over 5,000 stickers in here. So just think of all the colors that I can pull from. And so I am going to be pulling out a few quotes and some icon stickers out of here as well. And then last but not least, I am going to be using this appointment sticker book because this should have been like a rainbow appointment sticker book because of all the different colors that they have. And I believe I have a flip through of this sticker book on my channel. I can't remember, but they do have different hues of orange in here that I want to pull from. So I am going to be pulling out some. So because I already have an idea of what color scheme I'm going for my spread, I already have my colors or my stickers already picked out of the colors that I want to use. So that way I'm not flipping through all of my sticker books and pulling out those color elements. So I do have some of my stickers on my famous wax paper because wax paper is amazing when it comes to pre-planning your spreads and all of that. And so I have those down, and so that's what I'm going to do is kind of pull those. And I like to do that because it gives me an opportunity to kind of see how my spread is going to look before I actually do them. And I am actually going to be using Kelva Plan's florals from out of her Roy G. Biv book. And this is the orange theme. And so it has like different hues of orange in here that I want to use. And I'm just loving it. I'm really, really loving it, you guys. So again, pre-planning for me has definitely helped when it comes to my spreads and being able to pre-plan ahead of time and looking through sticker books. So if that's something that you think you might need help with, if you're struggling trying to figure out what stickers you want to use for each week, go ahead and prep because it definitely will help and change your life. There we go. All right. So I am going to use this for later. I'm going to pull that back on my wax paper. And I just like to have that little clean look there. So that's why I like to trim it up sometimes. But Heather, her stickers are really big. So I feel like they can be used on the classic size and the big Happy Planners because they're so big. And if you use the classic, you can definitely cut them down to fit just like I did. All right. And I like to start with my florals because that way it's already like setting the tone for my spread and how it's going to look. So this sticker right here, I don't have to worry about cutting this down because she has this measured down to the T to fit directly in this box. But I wish she could have made the stickers to kind of fit this box if we want to use it in a vertical. But I don't have a problem with cutting it down to fit. So I like that. Now look how perfect that fit in there. See that? That fits so good. Like nothing is hanging over those lines. All right, so that's what I want that to look like. And then I do want to put some florals around the bottom edge. And she also have these stickers already like pre-cut to fit as well. And it just makes it so much easier. I'm telling you. It just makes my life so much easier too. So if you guys want to see more of me doing like my pre-planned process each month and each week, I would definitely do that. But I'll probably still do it either way, only because it just helps me, and I just feel like if it helps me, it could help someone else. And I just love sharing things that I learn and that helps me, and hopefully it helps some of you as well. All right, so now that I have my florals down, I think those are all the florals I'm going to use. I do have this extra piece, but I don't know where I want to put this just yet. So I'm going to wait. Now I'm going to go in and start adding my boxes. Or do I want to do a quote first? Let's see. All right, let me go in with my quote, and then that way I can build my boxes around the quote. So one of the quotes I'm going to use is Good Vibes, because it has, even though it has like those little touches of yellows, it still has like the orange, different shades of orange and stuff. So I'm going to use that here. And I like to use a quote on each side of my spreads. I don't know, that's just, I don't know, it just does something for me. So, and then these shape stickers or colorful boxes also came out of that rainbow sticker book, and it also has like the regular squares and rectangle boxes, but it also has different shapes in there too. So I want to switch it up and do different elements of shapes and stuff in there. That looks we're gonna keep it, we're gonna leave it there. And then I want to put something here like that. Oh, I do want to use, I did leave a sticker in here, my appointment sticker book. And whenever I see a sticker that I want to use, what I start doing, you guys, is going ahead and writing in those appointments. So that way it kind of saves me time when I'm pre-planning my spreads. I already have it written down and I know where I want it to go. And so, is that Tuesday or Wednesday? I think it's this day. I need to move this box because I actually, well, no, I can leave that box there. I'll leave that box there and I'll just layer it like this because it's actually going to be on the 8th. I have a PTO fundraiser activity to do for my daughter's elementary school, so I'll be participating with that. So I do want to make sure I remember that too. So that's one of the appointment stickers I want to use, and I am going to be doing one on this day as well, but I may have to reschedule, so I'm not going to put a sticker there just yet. What else? Okay, so I do want to put a few boxes down here, but I do want to put a quote sticker here too. So let me try to do this. Do that. And then the other quote sticker I want to use is this. Let me get my tweezers. There we go. Something like this. Or maybe put it here. Maybe overlap it. I think I like it right there. Or over here. Let's do it over here. So that way, I don't know, that looks, well, we're going to keep it. All right. And then I am going to bring in some of these little dot stickers here. These also came out of the Rainbow Mega Sticker Book. And I'm going to put 3 on each of the days because I do want to write in like my top 3 things I want to get done for the day on here. Like things to remember. So, and then I found some icon stickers of like this little coffee cup, but I'm gonna call it a teacup because I'm a tea drinker. So I'm gonna put that like right here. And then I have another one, and I'm gonna put this one right here because I do have another PTO activity to do that day, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that day again. So just to remind me, I'm gonna still leave that there. And then I'm gonna put some dots down here to list like my top 3 things to do. And I was putting like my top 3 things to do in my daily planner, but I am in the process of changing that, you guys, because I need something different. So, and I want to be able to carry it around and maybe Frankenplan it with this. So we're going to see. But I'm thinking about getting a new one and revamping it. So that's why I just feel like I can still put my top 3 things here, and then maybe like some other stuff at the top. So maybe like right here I can put some, and then right here. And I think I'm gonna be done with that. I might add a few more boxes. Yeah, let me add one more box to this. Let me see, I might put it right here because I do have something to do that Saturday. And I might overlap it over this clear sticker because I want to still have room at the bottom to write. But because this is so ginormous, I can still layer it like right there, and I'll be able to still write. I'll be able to write there. So moving on, I think I'm done with this section here. I'm gonna go back to my sidebar here, and the sidebar is where I'm gonna put like some important things maybe for like the following week, so that way I kind of reference back to this. Things that come up for this week that I may need to do next week. I can put it here. I'm trying to see if that looks slantways a little bit. It does, and that's gonna bother me. So let me try to make that a little bit better. I don't think that helped, but oh well. And then I'm gonna use some of these little dot babies right here. Boom. And boom. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's how I just kind of count my spacings between these little dot grids here. And I want to put this, I need to fill this in. So let me see, I might can put this floral here at the bottom. Let's see. Is that gonna look a little off? A little. Oh. Let's see. Yeah, I don't like how that looks. Maybe I can put it maybe closer to this, maybe. Let's see. It was cute for a moment, but let's see. I put it maybe like that to make it look like it's still, no, I don't like how it, all right, I'm gonna have to figure this out. I'll figure that out later. I am gonna put this one right here, only because I like to put this on the side, and this is like my little, sometimes I put like a little scripture quote here just for the week, something I may want to reflect on, like a scripture or like a special quote or a saying or something like that. But oh no, I didn't want to put that there. I want to put that right here. No, I don't want to put that there now.